Hello, I think this is recording. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this is Professor Odom. I'm going to repeat the instructions and the demonstration that I gave you yesterday in class for how to do your peer review online on Tuesday. And I think we all agreed that you'll need to post your papers in the discussion board, so the drafts will be due by class time on Tuesday, so that would be 12:30, and then you'll have your regular class period amount of time to virtually exchange papers and do at least one peer review for your classmates. So everyone needs to have one person review their paper, and you have to give one peer review. So there will be a quiz grade for giving a peer review to someone else. Okay, so we are at the home page for our class. You will go into groups. There's just one group here, you're all in it. There's everyone, and then you scroll down past everyone's names to the group discussion board. Just one forum right now. And you will create a thread. So what I did to create mine, it's an example, is create a thread. I'll call it Odom Draft. I will type some message here if I want to, or I don't have to. I can just attach a file. So I'll go down to Browse My Computer, click on that, look up the file that's your draft, and then you simply upload it. You could also go to this little paperclip thing right here and browse your computer. So then you'll submit it. It'll be there on the thread. I'm going to cancel because I didn't really do it. So let's pretend like this is the one I just did. And then for you to call dibs on something, you'll reply to their thread and say, I'm going to review this one, but I'm not going to post that. Once you have, you'll reply again to the thread and do the same thing you did to attach your draft, but you'll attach the peer-reviewed document, so that way they'll go back into the thread with their name and your peer review should appear there. Yesterday I didn't have the peer review ready, but today I do, so this is in two places. When you go to my example thread here that's in the peer review form, you can click here, and it didn't show you, but it downloaded it to my computer. Also, you can go to Assignments, go all the way down to the Research Report folder, and Research Report Peer Review is here. My computer just downloaded it, but that's outside of the viewing area. So that should be pretty easy, and then you download the document and then you just type in it. I have also created another handout for you that you'll download. I'm getting it out of my downloads folder right now. This is not part of peer review, that's just a resource for you to see what I mean about the amount of detail that I'm looking for in the different sections of your paper. So one section will be the narrative of your research project process. So I have a bad example, an okay example, and a good example that you can see is a lot longer, has titles, has lots of detail about what the student did to go find their 3 articles. And then there needs to be a brief comparative rhetorical analysis section as well. I've got bad, okay, and good versions of what that would look like. So how much you write will depend on how much detail you give to each section. So the minimum word count is 500 and the maximum is 750. You just need to include both kinds of writing and stay within that word count. Okay, so I think that should be all you need. Of course, you can replay this video if you want to and see the steps I took to go to the form where you do your peer review. And again, that your draft will be due by class time on Tuesday at 12:30, and then you need to have reviewed at least one person's paper by the end of class time, which would be 1:50? Yeah, 1:50. So good luck doing that, and let me know if you have questions or if it doesn't turn out. I can see everything that happens in the forum, so I'll be able to see who does peer review and all that kind of stuff. And then I will see you in class on Thursday. All right, see you then.